Hey there, you're trying to send money to a friend or family member. You have the account number, but there's another important detail you need, the relay bank number. Hook. Why do we need this number? And what exactly is a relay bank number? Context. Before we dive into the specifics, let's understand the basics of banking transactions. When you send money, it doesn't travel directly from your account to the recipients. It goes through a network of banks, like a relay race. Think of the relay bank number as the baton in this race. It tells the banks the correct route to take your money. What is a relay bank number? A relay bank number is a unique identifier assigned to a bank or financial institution. It's like a postal code for banks, helping to route transactions efficiently. It's often a series of numbers, and different countries have their own formats. Why is it important? The relay bank number is crucial for ensuring that your money reaches the intended recipient. If the wrong number is used, the transaction could be delayed or even rejected. It's also essential for international transfers, where the money has to pass through multiple countries and banks. How to find a relay bank number? There are a few ways to find a relay bank number. Check your bank's website or app. Most banks provide this information on their online platforms. Look for terms like routing number, sort code, or SWIFT code. Contact your bank directly. If you can't find it online, call your bank's customer service. They'll be able to provide you with the correct number. Look at your checks or bank statements. Sometimes, the relay bank number is printed on your checks or bank statements. Common relay bank number formats. While the exact format varies by country, here are some common examples. United States, routing number, 9 digits. United Kingdom, sort code, 6 digits. Canada, institution number, 3 digits, and transit number, 5 digits. Australia, BSB number, 6 digits. Tips for using relay bank numbers. Double-check the number. Always verify the relay bank number before making a transaction to avoid errors. Consider using SWIFT codes. For international transfers, SWIFT codes are often used in conjunction with relay bank numbers. Be aware of scams. Be cautious of anyone asking for your relay bank number in suspicious circumstances. Conclusion. The relay bank number plays a vital role in the banking system, ensuring that your transactions are processed correctly. By understanding what it is and how to find it, you can make your financial transactions smoother and more secure. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.